Hi everyone, in this video I will mention 10 common problems that 4th generation Toyota 4Runner SUVs are prone to experience. Number 1. The frame is prone to rust over time, especially in vehicles that are driven in climates where it snows often. Number 2. The dashboard is prone to crack when it's exposed to sunlight for extended periods of time. One way to prevent this problem is to cover the top of the dashboard with a custom dash cover. Number 3. The water pump in some of these vehicles that are equipped with 6-cylinder engines is prone to develop coolant leaks before the vehicle reaches 100,000 miles. Number 4. The secondary air pump in vehicles equipped with 4.7-liter V8 engines is prone to experience premature failure, causing rough idle, hesitation during acceleration, and overall sluggish engine performance. The check engine light also illuminates on the instrument panel. The company Hewitt Technologies makes the bypass kit shown on the screen for 2005 to 2007 models. Number 5. The alternator in some of these vehicles tends to develop charging problems between 120 and 150,000 miles. Number 6. The CV boots in the front drive axles tend to rip over time, causing dirt to enter and damage the CV joints. Number 7. The TPMS sensors are prone to malfunction over time, causing the TPMS light to illuminate on the dashboard. Number 8. The water pump in some 4.7-liter V8 engines is prone to develop coolant leaks between 100 and 150,000 miles. It is recommended to replace the complete kit shown on the screen when replacing the leaking water pump. Number 9. The front wheel bearings in some of these vehicles are prone to become noisy between 120 and 150,000 miles and need to be replaced. Number 10. The leather seats tend to crack and rip over time. There you have it, my friends. Those are 10 common problems that 4th generation Toyota 4Runner SUVs are prone to experience. Take care.